Okay, check out this beautiful hand-crafted Damascus steel knife. This thing is absolutely stunning. It has been, like I said, hand-crafted with so much care and love. Look at it. It's beautiful. The Damascus steel makes it just like the perfect little pocket knife to have on you. And we've got this clip here as well, so you can clip it to your belt, your pants, that kind of thing. So let's open her up and look at that blade. Oh my gosh, so stunning. Just like intricately designed and delicate. The blade is really sharp as well, so definitely be careful with that. But the handle is so nice. It fits so nicely in the palm of my hand and is just really easy to hold. To close it up, you simply just push this black bit here across, and then it's got a little protector so that when you're pushing it across and down, the blade isn't going to come down and hit you. So there, and then you simply just fold it all the way down. Took me a hot minute to work that out, but yeah, look how stunning this knife is. Honestly, the perfect pocket knife for, going on adventures. Maybe you just need a knife for like I said, your outdoor activities or whatever, then yeah, this is the perfect one for you. So highly recommend it because it is absolutely stunning. Definitely check this one out.